Hello guys, so today I'm going to do rack cookies and command injection tutorial. So guys, for that I'm going to use Kali Linux. So you need that rack cookies and command injection VM. So I have already set up in my VirtualBox. So guys, the goal of this exercise is to gain command execution on a server through privilege escalation and cookie tampering. So first we need to find login credentials to that server. So for that we need to brute force. So to get that cookie used to us, and then we will reverse engineering and tamper with that rack cookie to gain administrator privilege. So guys, first I'm going to log into that to find login credentials. For that I'm going to use according to that VM, I'm going to use that IP address. So that IP is this is at my VM IP address is changed for you. It will change. It takes some time. Okay, this is the login page. Actually we don't know that username and password. Let's type admin and password. No. So I'm going to brute force this login page, the server. So for that we need this brute force Python script. So guys, if you don't have these some, you need some packages to that. You can see this tqdm. So this is a Python one. So if you don't have these some packages, so you need to install, you need a Python 3. So if you don't have that one, so you need to install it using sudo pip3 install that tqdm. So I have already installed that one. So this is the code that we want to brute force. So you can see that default credential test admin secret password. So this is a try authentication function. So we need to find a username and password. So we check one by one URL files, user files, methods. So I'm going to brute force this site. For that you need to find that attacker. So the details in this site, go to networks and just type again. Okay, now we can find these details. Okay, you can see that a request method is post and the request URL. So we need this URL. So I'm going to copy that command. So this is the command, and guys, you need to give permission to this Python script. I have already given that permission. You need to give chmod execute permission +x. You need to give permission. So now I'm going to run this command. You need that URL, this login URL, and the word list and credential list. So guys, this word list and credential list you can get from the Google. You can find 500 for 1000 word list. These are the some main world is like attackers and users used to create their credentials. The conditional list and the world is the same words. So this one also include that default credentials. So next, that method is post and login and password. So I'm going to run this command. Okay, it is start. Yeah, we found that username and password is test and test. So guys, let's log into the using that credentials, test and test. Okay, we are successfully log into that site DNS manager. So next, how to brute force it, we need to get that find that cookie. So guys, for that I'm going to go to storage, then we can get this cookie value. You can see this is the cookie. So as a next step, we need to reverse engineer this cookie. So first, let's copy this cookie, and I'm going to save it in a file. Press Ctrl Shift V to paste, and I'm going to save it in cookie .txt. I'm going to give cookie.txt file. Press enter. Okay, now let's get this one. Okay guys, now as you can see, this the like base 64 one, but we need to find what kind of cookie, the cookie type. So I'm going to search it. This rack session cookie. Okay, the first one, let's see. Yep, so this rack cookie is a base 64 encoded one, as you can see. So this is a marshaled object. So we need to reverse engineer this rack cookie. So for that we need the source code. This is a source code that we need. So first examine this source code. So guys, okay, you need these packages, data mapper and SQLite 3, these packages to run this script. So we need and this code, this Ruby code, except that class user class, this user class we need, and data mapper and SQLite. So if you don't have this data mapper and SQLite, so we need to install it. So the command is, you can install it using install gem and data mapper. And if you want to install SQLite, you need to type SQLite and adapt. So I have already installed these two. So this is the code. So now I'm going to this reverse engineering this code. For that I'm going to run this one Ruby, and that our script, and that saved cookie file. Okay, let's run this command. Okay guys, we successfully reverse engineered that cookie. So now we need to modify this cookie. For that we need to change that code, tamper code. So next we need to do some changes that in code this code. So I have already coded that one. This is a second tamper code. I'm going to copy it because it takes some time. Okay, Control Control V. So we need to use this class user and so we need to strategy that take our this object is so we need to change that admin field to true, then that re-encode the object and use the new cookie value. So for that that's why we use admin, and admin you said true. So and we need to create a new cookie. So like that I'm going to run this command again, same command, press enter. I think I did a mistake. I didn't save it, that's the problem. So now I'm going to run this command again because we got the same output. So okay, yes, we got a new cookie. So now I'm going to so however replacing this our cookie with the new result, let's see how to I'm going to copy paste this cookie value. Wait, I'm going to copy this one, and yep, I'm going to replace it in here. Control V. Okay, I'm going to refresh this one. So however the result after save it log out. So the new cookie is rejected that since the cookie was not signed with the same secret data that server used. So let's find that secret. So for that we need to do another we need to change that tamper code again. So guys, this is the third one. We need open SSL. So I'm going to copy this one, Control O, Control V. Okay, so we can use validation process to brute force this secret key by using a source code. So for that I'm going to use this script. Before that, I'm going to save that cookie, that created cookie, this one, in a new file. So I'm going to give it echo. I'm going to name it admin cookie.txt. Okay, let's get it. Okay, so guys, next I'm going to run that command. Oh wait, okay, oops. Now I'm going to run this command with we need to find secret. So I'm going to run temp code again with our word list. We need to find that secret. So for that, okay, now I'm going to run this command again to find that that modified txt modified cookie. Oops, think I did the mistake. Yep, we need to find first we need to find the secret. For that, we need these we need a ruby command. So find a secret command script. So this is the script that we need to find that secret. So for that, let's find the secret. Okay, we need to give ruby, and we need to find that secret value. So the command is for that find secret, and our word list, we need to use our cookie txt and word list. Okay, the secret is secret. Okay, now we can we found that the secret. So I have already changed that temp code. So we need this part, this generate hmac. So I have already changed that. Add in here, and you need to add require in OpenSSL. Okay, now we can run that command. So now I'm going to run this ruby and tamper that our cookie with secret. Yeah, we've modified the new cookie. So let's use this new cookie. So guys, I think I'm going to delete this one. We need this cookie. I'm going to copy paste it, copy and paste in first. I'm going to log in again. Okay, now I'm going to replace that newly created cookie, then refresh. Okay guys, we got new actions bars. You can see that edit and delete. So let's see, let's do some changes. Invalid data provided. So let's see and do another change. Dash a, the same result. So guys, next we need Python script and the Python script to that so this is the command cmd injection Python script. So we need that URL. This is my URL, so you need to get going to your URL. So this is the IP address. So guys, next I'm going to that before that I'm going to copy this new URL and save in new cookie in a text file. Admin cookie.txt. Okay. So in next we need that Python command. So I'm going to run that command. So guys, we created a new cookie, and then now we need to run this Python command. So for that so this is like a script will attempt to execute command injection against that the vulnerable site provided in that our pen tester. So like say cookie, like cookie one. So this let's run this command. For that we need to run this command in and guys, you need to give permission to run this Python script. We need to give that admin txt. Yep, we got that source code in that get into this site. So now I'm going to edit this command injection Python script. So okay guys, now I'm going to the edit this command injection Python script. I'm going to copy this one, Control Alt, Control V. So I did a small change in here. I'm going to sleep this one for 5 seconds. Let's see it's work. Okay, press okay, it's worked properly. Okay, now I'm going to do another change in that no, I did a mistake. I didn't save it. We'll run this again. Yeah, it takes some time, the 5 seconds. That's a good news. Okay, it's run. Yeah. So guys, next I'm going to do another change. This is our code. This is the third CMD code. So I add this ls command to find so in network this is a bootstrap one. So what is the public one? We need to find public one. So for that I'm going to run this Python command again. Let's see. Yeah, we got the in here alert, that alert message error. You can see after add this command we got a error. So okay, now we need to find what is a public one. So we have documents. So for that I'm going to find that public one. For that we need to use this edit this Python script again. So I change in here ls public. So save it before run. I'm going to run this command again. We need to go to that error. Yeah, we got that section is bootstrap css. So we found that public one. Now we need to do another change. I'm going to add these let's see, wait, I'm going to Control V, add is pw. We need to do small changes. So in here we need to add output file and the output path. So Control S. After you add this output path and output file, let's run this script again. Let's see. Yeah, we got the section is ww. Let's refresh this one. Yeah, we can see that we added that pwd. It added in here, we edit it. So next guys, the last one, this is the last Python script. Okay, so guys, in this Python script we use output path, and output path is var ww public, and is the URL. And guys, I did in here command and the output. So and the other codes, we didn't use that f command. As you can see, there is no any f letter, but in here we need to add the f2, that get access to that our vulnerable web server. If you didn't use this f, you cannot log in, get access to that web server. So we need to give these are the undo updates that we need to give payload. This is the IP address, and this is the result. This is the run. This is the shell. So we need to give that input cmd. If you we need to use bs4. So for that we need to use import bs4 in here. So this is the error message. Okay guys, let's run this command. After run, let's see, can we get that reverse shell to the site, this site. Before that, let's see, saved or not, because if we didn't save, it did not work. Okay, let's run it. We got that input. Let's type ls. Yeah, we successfully get that access to that server. So let's type who am I, www data. Let's type cat tc and password. Oops, cat etc. Okay, so guys, this is how to do command injection using rack cookie session, rack cookie. So this is how to get access to this web server, exploiting this web server. So guys, I hope you guys have a good idea. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel, and please like and share. So guys, thank you for watching this